Hello boys and girls, it's Mrs. Donaldson again. I'm going to do a video on your number bonds this week. So in your pack you should have some number bond sheets for numbers 7 and 8. Last week you should have done 5 and 6. I'm going to show you how you can learn your number bonds with Numicon. I've got the Numicon that we use in class, the plastic Numicon. At home you should have the laminated Numicon that you can use to help you. I'm going to show you some of the ways that we can make 7. If you have a look at your number bond sheets, you might have already worked out how to make 7. I'm going to start with 0. So if I start with 0, what do I add? 7. So 0 add 7, make 7. So if I've got 7, what can I add to 7? 7 add 0, make 7. Now I'm going to choose number 1. 1 and 6. I knew it was 6 because when I covered up number 1, I could see there were 6. The 6 shape was left. I can put that on top. I can see that 1 and 6 make 7. 6 and 1 make 7. I'm going to try with some different Numicon shapes now. I'm going to start this time at the other end. I'm going to go for number 2. 2. Now I can see that I have got a 5 shape left. It's not the right colour for 5, but when I put this one on, we know that 5 is the red shape. 5 and 2, 2 and 5. You might want to do that a different way. There's my 5, and there's my 2. Whichever way you do it, it still makes 7 because I'm still using the same numbers. Next I've got 3 and 4. 3 and 4 makes 7, and 4 add 3 makes 7. Have a go with your Numicon. See if you can build the numbers for 7. Get on building your numbers for number 7. Did you manage? We're going to use our number 8 Numicon now. We're going to do our number bonds for 8. It's really important that you learn these, boys and girls. They're very important for when you get on to bigger numbers. So I'm going to start the same way. Here I've got my number 8, and I'm going to add nothing to it. It still makes 8. 8 add 0 is still 8. 0 add 8 is still 8. So if I've got 0 and I add my 8, I've got 8. Next I'm going to try my number 1. Does this shape look familiar to you? The shape that's left? It should. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the shape we looked at just before. 1 add 7 makes 8. The same as 7 add 1 makes 8. Make sure you try with your Numicon at home. Now I've got 2. 2. Oh, what number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 add 6 makes 8. Can you see it fits perfectly onto my number 8? 2 add 6. 6 add 2. The shapes are still there. It doesn't matter which way round we do it because it still makes 8. Next I'm going to go for 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 add 5. And if I do it the opposite way round and put my 5 on first, I can see what number fits nicely. It is 3. So I can have 5 add 3 or 3 add 5. It's really good to use your Numicon to be able to see this. Now the next one is a little bit tricky for you at home because you just have one of every number at home. So you've got 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and so on. For this we need a double. So here I've put my 4 Numicon on top of my 8. Can you see what number needs to go on this end? You won't be able to put it on yours because you only have 1 4 in your pack. But could you tell an adult what number is missing? What number do you think it is? Let's see if you were right. 4. 4 add 4 makes 8. It doesn't matter which way around that goes. It still makes 8. Fantastic work, Primary 1. Have a go with your Numicon at home. See if you can do your number bonds for 7 and 8. There are some sheets in your pack that you can complete. When we all get back together in school, we'll see how well you know your number bonds. I'm looking forward to seeing some of your work on the learning journals. Bye.